AI lovers. You won't believe what's here. A tool that lets you build mobile apps like a pro without all the coding headaches. And yes, it's powered by AI. Welcome back to Just AI Space, your go-to hub for the latest and greatest in AI tools. Today, we're diving into something fresh, the Mobile Agent by Emergent Labs. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own mobile app, whether it's for business, fun, or something totally unique, this is your moment. Here's what's waiting for you when you log in. Mobile Agent is here. Upgrade now, and you unlock dedicated tools to build powerful mobile apps. Fast. Got an idea? Just type, "Build me an app for," and let the AI take over. GitHub integration. Perfect for developers who want to connect their code repositories directly. Surprise me button. Feeling adventurous? One click and AI throws creative app ideas your way. And here's the magic part. You can literally type something like, "Create a landing page for an AI writing assistant SaaS, showcasing a live demo, pricing tiers, competitor comparison, chatbot, testimonials, and a bright, user-friendly layout." This means your visitors could land on a professional website where they instantly see how your AI works through a live demo, compare your pricing with competitors, chat with a built-in bot for questions, read glowing customer testimonials, and navigate everything in a clean, bright, modern design, all created automatically by Mobile Agent. Or maybe you want to make something more personal like, build a mood tracker app where users record daily moods with optional notes, see mood history with a calendar or graph view, export their data, and enjoy an emoji-based UI. Think about it. Every day, you log your mood using fun emojis, maybe add a note about what happened, and later, see your emotional trends on a colorful calendar or chart. You could even export the data for deeper insights or share it with your therapist. And yes, Mobile Agent can create that from just one prompt. And it's not just you building, check out what others have made. AI Goal Coach helps you break down complex goals into step-by-step plans with resources. Solo Pro turns your skills and interests into a business plan tailored just for solo founders. Children's Storyboard creates magical, age-appropriate children's stories with AI-generated illustrations. Research Explorer gathers and organizes research with beautiful visualizations and credible sources. So whether you want to clone Airbnb, create an idea logger, design a full SaaS landing page, or track your moods in style, the Mobile Agent is ready to help you start building today. If you want to try it, head over to Emergent Labs, log in, and hit that plus button to create your first task. That's it for today's AI Spotlight. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe.
My YouTube channel, just AI Space. Please share my video and it is your turn. Please log in the Emergent Labs and play with it.